Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Grape Quarterer is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen gadgets for any home chef, offering a unique way to prepare grapes for snacks, desserts, and even cocktails. Whether you're looking to impress guests with elegantly prepared fruit platters or simply want a fun and easy way to portion out grapes for kids, this tool can transform your culinary creations. Its innovative design allows for quick and consistent slicing, making it a must-have for anyone who enjoys incorporating fresh fruit into their diet or wants to add a touch of sophistication to their meals. Get ready to discover how this simple yet ingenious device can elevate your everyday cooking and entertaining. Number 5. Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Cups, 12-pack. Introducing our reusable baking cups, perfect for all your baking needs. Use them for muffins, snacks, and more with any standard muffin pan. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these cups are designed for repeated use. They are stain and odor resistant, ensuring long-lasting quality. Enjoy easy food release thanks to their flexible and non-stick surface. You won't need any extra grease or cooking spray. These versatile cups are safe for use in the oven up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also microwave and freezer safe, offering ultimate convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze. Stuck-on messes release easily with soap and water, and they are completely dishwasher safe. Each cup measures 2.9 by 2.9 by 1.3 inches, making them the ideal size for standard baking recipes. This pack includes 12 assorted colors. What we like? These baking cups are incredibly versatile and eco-friendly. They make food release a breeze and cleanup even easier. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient way to bake, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. It's a great product that works well. The design is sleek and modern. It has a lot of useful features. Number 4. Mueller the Real Original Pro Chopper. Introducing a kitchen essential that has been delivering reliable performance since 2013. This durable tool is designed to make your meal preparation faster and easier than ever before. Effortlessly slice, dice, and chop fruits, vegetables, and more with incredible precision in just seconds. Its sturdy build and quick setup save you valuable time and effort. With 8 interchangeable blades, you get the functionality of multiple kitchen tools in one. Slice, julienne, grate, and shred with ease, creating perfect ingredients for any dish. Crafted with unmatched quality, this kitchen gadget is built to last. Plus, cleanup is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe, freeing up your countertop space. Busy lifestyles no longer mean sacrificing healthy meals. This multifunctional tool makes chopping and slicing ingredients less time-consuming, so you can enjoy nutritious meals with your family. We believe in making life easier. That's why we offer unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support, ready to assist you with anything you need. What we like? This kitchen gadget is a true time saver for meal prep. With its multiple blades, you can slice, dice, and chop in seconds. If you're tired of spending too much time chopping vegetables and want to make healthy meals more accessible, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Grape Quarterer is a fantastic tool for anyone who enjoys grapes. It efficiently removes the seeds from grapes, making them easier to eat. The design of the Grape Quarterer is ergonomic and easy to hold, allowing for a comfortable grip while in use. Its compact size also makes it convenient for storage. This grape tool is made of durable, high-quality plastic that is built to last. It's also very simple to clean, either by hand washing or placing it in the dishwasher. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Introducing the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer, the ultimate tool for avocado lovers. This versatile gadget makes preparing avocados a breeze. It's designed to do it all: split your avocado, remove the pit, and slice the fruit. Enjoy perfectly prepared avocados every time. The stainless steel pitter is a game changer. With just one quick twist, you can effortlessly remove the pit without any mess. The slicer attachment lifts the fruit from the skin in 7 perfect, uniform pieces. It's ideal for salads, toast, and more. You'll love the soft, comfortable non-slip grip. It ensures a secure hold, even when your hands are wet. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning. What we like. This tool simplifies avocado preparation like no other. It splits, pits, and slices with ease, all in one device. If you love avocados but hate the hassle of preparing them, this is a must-have for your kitchen. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The design is sleek and modern. It has a lot of useful features. Number 2. OXO Tot Grape Cutter, Navy. Introducing the OXO Tot Grape Cutter in Navy. It makes preparing fruit for your little one quick and easy. This tool is designed for safety and ease of use. It safely cuts grapes into smaller, manageable pieces. It's ideal for reducing choking hazards associated with whole grapes. Give your child a safer way to enjoy their snacks. Made with durable materials, it's built to last. Cleanup is a breeze, saving you time and effort. Trust OXO Tot for innovative solutions that simplify mealtime. This grape cutter is a must-have for busy parents. What we like. This is designed with little ones in mind, making snack time safer and easier. It safely quarters grapes and other small fruits. If you have toddlers or young children and want to reduce choking hazards while preparing their snacks, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Grape Quarterer is a fantastic tool for anyone who enjoys grapes. It efficiently removes the seeds from grapes, making them easier to eat. The design of the Grape Quarterer is ergonomic and easy to hold, allowing for comfortable use. Its compact size also makes it convenient for storage. This grape tool is made from durable, high-quality materials that are built to last. It's also very simple to clean after use. Number 1. WhiteRhino Grape Cutter. Introducing the WhiteRhino Grape Cutter, designed for safely preparing small fruits and foods for toddlers and babies. It's perfect for making mealtime easier and more enjoyable. This versatile tool can quarter grapes, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, and more. It's ideal for creating salads, snacks, and fun cake decorations for everyone. With its sharp yet safe serrated blade and non-slip plunger, it quickly quarters fruits without smashing. The food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free ABS ensure safety and durability. Enjoy comfortable and easy cutting thanks to the soft, non-slip plunger and ergonomic design. You can effortlessly slice fruits with just a gentle press of your thumb. Cleaning is a breeze with its hollow design. Simply rinse it under water or pop it in the dishwasher. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying healthy snacks. This durable gadget saves you precious time in the kitchen. It also helps reduce choking hazards, making it a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What we like. This slicer is perfect for quickly and safely preparing grapes and cherry tomatoes. It quarters them efficiently, reducing choking risks for children and the elderly. If you're looking for a fast, safe, and easy way to cut small fruits for snacks or meals, especially for kids or seniors, this is a great choice. What people say. The Grape Quarterer is a fantastic tool for anyone who enjoys grapes. It efficiently removes the stems from grapes, making them perfect for snacking or adding to recipes. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the durable construction means it will last for years to come. The sharp, yet safe, blades make quick work of even the toughest stems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.